So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can turn on Wi-Fi calling on a Redmi device. I have the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max with me here and the steps will remain same for more or less all the Redmi phones. Now for this you need to head towards your phone settings. Swipe from the top, tap on the grid. Now here you need to tap on SIM cards and networks. Then tap on your SIM that's reflecting here. Tap on this. Now right at the bottom you will see there's the option called as make calls using Wi-Fi. So turn this to on. What this does is, like, in case there is poor network and if your mobile has an existing Wi-Fi connection, calls will be placed using the Wi-Fi network rather than the SIM network. So this is actually a great option to have and you should know how to turn this on. So if you have a steady Wi-Fi connection and if you have poor network, then it's always good to turn this option, that is make calls using Wi-Fi on, and these are the steps how you do it. So let me kind of repeat. You simply swipe from the top, head towards mobile settings. Now once you head towards mobile settings, scroll down until you see SIM cards and mobile networks. Tap on this, tap on the SIM. Like here right at the bottom you will see there's this option called as make calls using Wi-Fi. So go ahead and do that, and hopefully next time you are stuck in a zone where there are poor network signals, calls will still be made or received using Wi-Fi. So that's all for today guys. If you like our work, please do subscribe and please do share this with your friends and family. Until next time, it's me Amnan signing off.